Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into TradingView on your smartphone. It's a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you are in the app, here you can see the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. In the menu page, here you can see the sign in option. Tap on it. Now it will prompt you to the login page of the app. Here you can see different options to log in. In order to log in, you need to have created your account already. You need to use the same credentials from which you created your account before. If you created your account with Google, you can select Google. If you have created your account with email, you can tap on email. And here you can enter your email and your password. And you can tap on sign in to log into your account. So you need to choose the option from which you created your account before. And that's it. You will be logged into your account in TradingView app. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.